2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, Xenon headlights, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, heated driver's seat, compass, power door locks, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, airbags, heated passenger seat, head-up display, driver memory seats, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.